Welcome back. This is the update for Thursday, the 11th of November, and there was 4 dividend payments for a total of 36 cents. They're from Nucor, Clorox Company, American Express, and Grupo AVAL Acciones y Valores. The leaderboards of the portfolio. Devon Energy is still number 1. Number 2 is Raiffeisen Bank. Number 3 is Blackstone. 4 is Albemarle. 5 is Rolls-Royce Holdings. 6 is Novo Nordisk. 7 is Innovative Industrial Properties. 8 is Aerial Bank. 9 is Croda International. And 10 is KLA. And the worst of the worst, very bottom, is still Adler Group. Second from the bottom is Royal Mail. Third is Alliance Data Systems. Fourth is Pinnacle West Capital. Fifth is Marston's. Sixth is Swedish Match. Seventh is Rubis. Eighth is Logitech International. Ninth is Deutsche Lufthansa. And 10th is Nintendo. The first dividend payer today was Nucor Corporation, ticker symbol NUE, and it's about $113 per share at the moment, based in the USA, and it's in the iron and steel industry. So it's a United States-based steel products company, and it's a manufacturer of steel and steel products, producing direct reduced iron for use in its steel mills. The company also processes ferrous and non-ferrous metals and brokers ferrous and non-ferrous metals, pig iron, hot briquetted iron, and it manufactures a range of steel products including concrete reinforcing bars, hot rolled bars, rounds, light shapes, structural angles, channels, wire rod, and highway products in carbon and alloy steels. The company also produces hot rolled, cold rolled, and galvanized sheet steel to customer specifications. Its current market cap, $31.54 billion, has a PE ratio of 29.68, a revenue of $20.14 billion, an earnings per share of $3.72, and a current dividend yield of 1.47%. So it pays a dividend every quarter, and this was an ordinary payment of 34 cents per share, which is the same as the previous. Its quarterly profit margin is 17%, and annually is about 3.5%. Its quarterly debt to assets 46.7%, and annually is about the same. And its annual cash flow from operating is $2.7 billion. From investing is negative $1.76 billion. And from financing is $285.85 million. The second dividend payer was Clorox Company, ticker symbol CLX, and it's about $166 per share, on the bottom of a pretty long-term downtrend since July of last year. So it's in the personal and household products industry. It's a manufacturer and marketer of consumer and professional products. The company sells its products primarily through mass retail outlets, grocery outlets, warehouse clubs, dollar stores, home hardware centers, drug, pet and military stores, third-party and owned e-commerce channels and distributors. The company operates through 4 segments, which are health and wellness, household, lifestyle and international. The health and wellness segment consists of cleaning products, professional products, and vitamins, minerals and supplement products. The household segment consists of cat litter products, bags and wraps, and grilling products. Its lifestyle segment consists of food, natural personal care, and water filtration systems. And the international segment consists of products sold outside of the USA. It markets various consumer brand names such as Namesake bleach and cleaning products, Pine Sol cleaners, Liquid Plumer, Clog Remover, and Poet home care products. Its current market cap is $20.2 billion, has a PE ratio of 21.52. Its current revenue is $7.34 billion, earnings per share of $7.64, and a current dividend yield of 2.82%. It pays a dividend every quarter, and this was an ordinary payment of 98 cents per share, which is down 1 penny from the previous one. Its quarterly profit margin, 3.43%, and annually is about 9.5%. Its quarterly debt to assets is 88%, and annually is 93.5%. And its annual cash flow from operating is $1.28 billion. From investing is negative $452 million. And from financing is $1.39 billion in the red. Number 3 was American Express, ticker symbol AXP, and it's about $181 per share. Also based in the US. And it's an integrated payments company. It provides its customers with access to products, insights, and experiences that build businesses. It provides credit and charge cards to consumers, small businesses, mid-sized companies, and corporations around the world. Its various products and services are sold to diverse customer groups through various channels, which include mobile and online applications, affiliate marketing, customer referral programs, third-party vendors and business partners, direct mail, telephone, in-house sales teams, and direct response advertising. It's engaged in businesses comprising 3 reportable operating segments, which are Global Consumer Services Group, Global Commercial Services, and Global Merchant and Network Services. It operates a payments network through which it maintains relationships with third-party banks and other institutions. Its current market cap is $142.89 billion, has a PE ratio of 47.75, a revenue of $37.03 billion, earnings per share of $3.77, and a dividend yield of about 1%. So it pays a dividend every quarter, and this was an ordinary payment of $0.365, which is down about half a penny from the previous one. Its quarterly profit margin is 16.5%, and annually is about 8.5%. Its quarterly debt to assets is about 87%. And annually is about 88%. And its annual cash flow from operating is $5.59 billion. From investing is $11.63 billion. And from financing is negative $9.07 billion. And the last one was Grupo AVAL Acciones y Valores, ticker symbol AVAL. It's about $5.50 per share at the moment. It's based in Colombia, but it's traded on the US markets. So it's a regional bank. It's a Colombia-based holding company primarily engaged through its subsidiaries in the acquisition, purchase and sale of stocks, bonds and other securities of companies active in the financial sector. The company provides a variety of financial services and products across the Colombian market, ranging from traditional banking services such as loans and deposits to pension and severance fund management, as well as the provision of legal representation services. The company owns such subsidiaries as Banco de Bogota SA, Banco Popular SA, among others. Additionally, through its indirect and direct investments in other companies, the company is present in the activities of investment banking and investments in the real estate sector, as well as the administration of pension and severance funds in Colombia. Current market cap of $25.36 trillion. Has a PE ratio of 11.14. Current revenue of $20.22 trillion. Earnings per share of $102.19 per share. Very nice. Current share is $5.64. I've never seen that before. And the current dividend yield is 4.88%. And Grupo AVAL pays a dividend every month. And this was a return of capital of 2 cents per share, which is the same as the previous return of capital. Has a quarterly net income of $2.35 trillion. And it's the same annually, but that's the only figure that's given. Quarterly debt to assets of 93.6%, and annually is the same. And its annual cash flow from operating is $5.63 trillion. From investing is negative $3 million. And from financing is negative $895.99 thousand. So that's all for this one, and I hope that you found this useful.